The NRD Neutralizer has a replaceable lithium-ion battery, which can be replaced by shipping it back to NRD or by following the steps in this video. Attach the safety clips that came with the Neutralizer AC and remove the air nozzle. The battery compartment is held together with 4 screws. Once apart, the battery is easily removed by releasing the connection clip. Insert the new battery and attach the connection clip. Carefully put both halves back together and insert the 4 screws. Replace the air nozzle. Remove the safety clips and depress the trigger to be sure that the green light is activated, showing the battery is installed correctly. If you have any questions, please direct them to NRD.